It is said that change is the only constant. And if we talk about career and the job, we all are witnessing so many changes that are happening in the job market. We read about news of the job losses. We talk about gig economy today. The way the work is being done today is very different from what it was being done few years earlier. I hope you agree with me on this. So now in this changing scenario, what is required from you, especially if you are restarting your career or if you had a break in your career? So break could be a shorter term or for long term. So in case you want to restart and you are thinking of how to go about this, in that case you need to be able to be prepared to redefine yourself. One option could be go back to the same career that you had prior to your break or prior to the gap. And second option is to explore something new for you. In fact, this break should be a good point for you to reflect what is that you want to do in your life. So you may want to redefine yourself, maybe redefine what you stand for, build certain new skills, or look for what are the skills which you possess can be applied to a newer role, which can give you that experience, which can give you that leverage, which can help you to explore your passion and potential. So, hi, I'm Simple Jaiswal. I am a career readiness coach. I help you to restart your career after a break. Today, not only the personal reasons, even professional reason is becoming a reason why people may have to take a break before they get something better or something good than the previous assignment. So in that case, I would say look for what are the transferable skills that you have. So transferable skills are the skills which can be transferred from one job or one profile to the another. It means what skills are applicable to your current role, those same skills or some part of it can be applied to a newer role or a newer profile. Like I'll give an example. I was in HR, but the same skill, few skills from that I could apply for my role as a faculty in a management institute, or I can apply similar kind of same skill for coaching people. And that is why I have redefined myself whenever I have taken a career break, and it has helped me to actually reflect and give me an understanding as to what else I can do and what am I good at and what do I enjoy working on. So look for what are the transferable skills that you have today and where all this can be applied, or what are the transferable skill which you want to build on to apply to that role which you're looking for. We will talk more on this transferable skill. Meanwhile, I want you to do little research on this and let me know in the comment box what are the transferable skills you have today. And also given below in the comment section is the link for booking a coaching call appointment with me. That can help you to get more clarity when you want to move ahead in your career. Thank you.